this is not the same day that I'm doing this intro. I literally am going and editing my video and I didn't do no intro. In today's video, I will be showing you how I cream contour and highlight my face. It's very basic, very natural looking, and after you do it a couple times, it's very easy. If you're new here, don't be scared to hit that subscribe button, even though I'm probably scaring you right now. I'm out of breath because I just ran. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So let's go to past Kaitlan. Okay, as you can already tell, I have my base on. So for my concealer, I will be using the Tarte Shape Tape. I will be taking it right here. I like most product right here because I like it to be more brightening right there, and then it just blend out. I'm gonna put it down the bridge of my nose, getting the T-zone. I'll put 2 X's right here, and then I do like an N, and then I just do a straight line down right there. So I'm gonna let this concealer sit just to kind of to warm it up. That way it blends better. To cream contour, I'm gonna be using the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C13.5. I take it a little bit above my ear, so I'll take it right here. And I'll drag it down to about right here, and then I'll kind of curve it up a little bit. So it'll look like this. It's kind of going in a little bit of a slope. Grab a little bit more product, and I'm gonna put it on my forehead. And then for my nose, I'm gonna just take whatever else is left on this, and I'm just going to get the sides like this. And then I'm gonna go basically from my eyebrow down. I'm just gonna get the sides of my nose. Now we're looking a little crazy. I prefer using a sponge because it blends better for me. So I'm just going to start tapping it in and kind of tapping it up. I'm not gonna tap it down because if you tap it down, you're just gonna mess up your snatched kind of look. So I'm gonna press it in first, and I'm gonna push up. And I'm just gonna blend it out. For the forehead, I'm just gonna be pushing it up into my hairline, and then I'm also gonna bring it down to my temples to blend that in, push it up. Bringing it down my temples to connect it to this area. I like to take whatever else is left on the sponge just to get my jawline, and then I'll bring it down my neck just to give it a little bit more definition. For the nose, I do use a Real Techniques. This is actually a crease prep brush. So basically what I'm going to do for my nose is I'm going to press the product in first, and I'm going to tap the sides. And then I'm gonna sweep it a little bit, just very carefully. And then I'm gonna sweep it up. And you wanna bring it up to your eyebrows just to kind of connect. This will also elongate your nose, make it look longer and slimmer. I don't like to use the same sponge for my contour and my other cream products because then I get it confused and then I have splotchiness everywhere, and it's just way easier to just differentiate between one sponge and the other. I'm actually going to take the pointed side of this. I'm going to focus it in the corner first. I'm going to get in the crease of my nose, and I'm going to bring it up to that contour line that we just did for our nose. And then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna blend the rest of my concealer. And also I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna kind of go right down here on both sides, and then if you bring it too low or something, you can also fix this. After that, I do like to go back over my nose with the brush. I'll go right underneath my lip. To set my whole face and my under eyes, I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I will be using number 10 Fair Light. So I'm gonna just take whatever's in my cap. I'm just going to dip it, and then you have like product like this, and I'm going to tap it in. Of course, I'm gonna get my nose creases. I'm gonna put it down where my smile lines are. Get my upper lip and my chin. And I'm just gonna take whatever else powder is there, and I'm just gonna stamp it on my forehead. To set the rest of my face, I'll be using the same powder, but just in the shade 25 Medium. And I'll actually just be using a big face brush just to set the rest of my face. So of course you can stop right here. However, I'm gonna show you what else I do. I will take my Kylie Cosmetics pressed bronzing powder in the shade Almond, and I'll just swirl the brush in there, and I will hit the contour just to deepen it up. And then I'll just take a small crease brush and I'll take the powder and just go over my nose contour. This is how I do my cream contour and my cream highlight. It's very natural. Of course, you can get more tints. Of course, there's a lot of more products out there, but this was a highly requested video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to get rung every time I post. And if you like quick tutorials of how I do certain things, then just hit that like button. Let's get this video to 30 likes. Let's get it up there. Comment a video idea down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.